Hi all, my name is Navjot Kaur and my roll number is 30372758 and I am from Federation University, Australia. Yeah, and my project name is Web Application for Shah Ghosh Restaurant. My part in the project is for testing, including payment system and for documentation as well. I feel that this project is very challenging, and that's by completing this project I will gain the skill and knowledge which will also help me in tackling future challenges. Yeah. So after completing the storyboard and project roadmap to further develop our project and recognize the requirements, we are implementing a Sprint 1 dashboard which will identify the task involved in the user stories and identifies the project team member that will be responsible to complete the task. In Sprint 1, we are mainly focusing on completing the user registration system along with login mechanism. We will also be completing the order process and also the logic of going back and payment finalizing, and we did like tracking of food, whether being prepared or ready for pickup. When we move to theme, the theme of the sprint one is to design the customer registration and login portal as well as implement the payment process and tracking system. The theme also describe the implementation of reporting system for the key management staff. So there are some examples like what we did. The overall design of the web application reflect with the existing website and the theme, and user can select multiple payment method. We did like when user can track the order using the form after the payment process. Yeah, and nowadays due to coronavirus, everyone want takeaway orders, deliveries. No one want to eat by sitting at restaurant, and so something similar we did in our project, like a kind of custom-made web portal. In Sprint 1, aim was about developing user stories, including order process with associated staff, and we used AngularJS there. I was focused on designing the business process model correctly and learned about software development methodologies. Now let's talk about Sprint 2, that divides the project's user stories into tasks and assign the task to the team. It also identifies the team member and its positions in the project and also theme of the sprint. Yeah, so sorry. So after mapping out the project through storyboard and after mapping out it with the project roadmap, the project took a successful turnover through sprint 1. The project is completed till the customer ordering process and required further development in the staff portal. The sprint 2 is all about completing the user stories related to staff and the remaining user stories from the customers end. In that, we will be considering the sprint 1, me and my team member, that are completed, and what will the task for sprint 2, I think I discussed. Here we design the staff portal and the remaining customer portal work such as address checking and payment that were not completed in sprint 1. This theme also defines the screen of the remaining work of sprint 3. So main features are like the login page and staff portal page for receiving orders, what we did on sprint 2. The staff profile page helping them to update their details. Additional and removal of menu item from the customer order menu page. And give and update status on order for client. So this work we done in sprint 2. Yeah, also one more thing, like I, with my team members, realized that we went out of planning, and which leads to delaying the project during sprint 2. And we really worked hard in upcoming sprint, which is sprint 3. So a sprint 3, which divides the project user stories into tasks and assigns the task to the team. It also identifies the team members and its positions in the project and also theme of the sprint. So in that week, after mapping out the project through storyboard and project roadmap, the project took a successful turnover through sprint 2. Yeah, it was good for me and my team members. The project is completed till ordering process and the staff management portal that allows the order to show and add menu items along with managing them by marking them available, like if it's available or not, and setting the price and name of the item. For this print, our main focus was on making the payment option available. And I remember our client talk about the distance of like 5 kilometer radius, so the delivery address to be added only for addresses that are under 5 kilometer radius from the restaurant as per our client's requirement. We really worked very hard for that, but yeah, at the end we made it. So now I'm discussing about the theme, which was like to design the staff portal and the remaining customer portal work, such as address checking and payout, and that were not completed in sprint 1, I know. And the things we worked on are like the completion of the staff portal to have option that allow the addition of menu items and setting the status of the project. It went good. Next thing was to integrate payment option for the application using PayPal. And the last thing was to implement the logic of the address checking method to check the distance of the delivery address from the restaurant. Yeah, so it was important to address, which I documented how each test cases required attention and how the application is modified. As I remember, I worked on the design specification as well as correct many user interface problems, because my main work was for documentation and testing. So all in all, I learned that time management is an important part to complete the project on time, along with registering the test trail account on time at the end, which was really very important again, that kept the testing plan for project which addressed during urgency of project. So at the end, I want to share something like I began to gain interest in science and technology since my 8th standard, and I learned a lot of computer, its technology, and how website works. I graduated from this from a university from India, and then I applied for this course in Federation University, and I learned a flavor of advanced technology and software design methods, and that can bring the industry to its success position. I feel that this project sincerely is very challenging, and that's by completing this project I will gain the skills and knowledge which will also help me in tackling future challenges. Thank you all.